It is my 1 year anniversary on my GLP-1 Zepbound journey, guys. For those of you who don't know and are new to my channel, my name is Shanda, and I'm glad that you're here. I am 168 pounds even today, making it a 102.2 pound loss. I started this journey on February 24th of 2025, weighing in at 270.2 pounds. February 24th, 2025 was the first day of my new life. I just didn't know it yet. 100.2 pounds, guys. Yay. I am so proud of that. This journey has been self-reflective. It has been teachable. It's been life-changing, But it hasn't just been about the weight. It's been about discipline. It's been about quieting the food noise. It's been about facing myself when the distractions were gone. If I could do a few things differently, I would. I would have prepared my body better before I started this journey. Instead of going into this crash course in weight loss, I would have weaned myself off the sweets. I would have weaned myself off the alcohol instead of going cold turkey on everything all at once. Because when you start a GLP-1, your appetite changes fast, but your habits don't disappear overnight. And I put my body through a shock. It worked, right? It worked, but it was abrupt. I would have taken more photos and more photos along the way, because when you're living in your body every day, you don't see the changes the way other people do. Your brain adjusts faster than your body does. And now I wish I had more visual receipts, you know what I mean, of my transition. I also would have stayed on my first and third doses longer. I was so focused on moving up, thinking higher meant better. But sometimes slower is smarter. Sometimes the lower dose is working just fine, and patience would have served me better. I lost most of the rapid weight loss on 2.5, and I was at a steady loss every week with the 7.5. What else? I would have started strength training earlier, because nobody really prepares you for what happens when you lose over 100 pounds. The melted chocolate bar phase is absolutely real. The loose arms, inner thigh skin, face changes, flabby butt, achy joints, the whole gamut. When your body deflates, muscle matters, and that's something I'm serious about now, but I feel like I'm playing catch up. And let me say this clearly, I am still chasing the numbers on the scale. Like I told you guys before, I've shared it a couple times. I want to lose about 15 more pounds and then figure out what my maintenance plan is going to be with the help of my doctor. I'm still in focus mode, still in discipline, and still working really hard. But the difference now is I'm not chasing weight from a place of shame, or weight loss from a place of shame. I'm chasing it from a place of building and constructing, if that makes sense. Year 1 was transformation. Year 2 is refinement. And February 24th of 2025 will always be the day I chose myself, even though I didn't fully understand what that decision would mean at the time. 102.2, guys. I get it now. Once again, thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel, being here through my transition. I can't tell you guys how much it means to me. Thank you. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.